Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. Today's lecture number 12. In today's lecture, we will learn how to use Canva photos to create eye-catching and professional designs. High-quality photos can completely transform your design, whether you are creating social media, post, YouTube thumbnail, presentation, posters, flyers, or business advertisement. Choosing a right image is one of the most important steps. By the end of this lecture, you will know what Canva photos are, how to scratch your photos, how to filter search result, how to edit photos, how to replace and crop, tips for choosing professional photos. Let's start it. So firstly, I will open Canva. Let it open. So now I will open templates and select my template, which I want. I want. Instagram post template. That's good. So before starting anything, let me tell you what are Canva photos. Canva photos is a Canva built-in store photo library. It contains millions of high-quality images that you can use directly in your design without downloading from other websites. You can find photos related to almost every topic, including business, technology, nature, food, travel, fashion, education, sports, animals, health, festival, lifestyle. Some photos are free and other are paid. So how to open your photo library? Firstly, open Canva Design, then click on Photos on the left side. If you don't see, open the app or use search toolbar. Type any keyword into search toolbar, like I will type sunset and press enter. Canva will instantly display many photos. Oh, sorry, we have to search in two elements and I searched in photos. Where is she? Let it paste and using a right keyword help you to find better images. There are so many images, photos. Here are so many photos. I will select this photo. It's too eye-catching photo. Instead of searching car, you can search like the luxury car, sports car, electric car. Instead of searching office, you can search modern office, setup office. Specific keyword give always better result. Okay? Using a filters. By using a filter, you can select your shape which you want. I want scale and apply. Okay. These all images that are showing into your screen are in scale size. Wow, amazing. Adding a photo to your design. To add a photo, like I have add the photos to my design, click on image and drag and drop into your canvas. If your design already contain a frame or grid, simply drag the photo into it. The camera will automatically fit it. You can also replace an existing image by dragging into new image. Now, editing photo. Once you have entered photo into your canvas, like this, you can edit your photo by cropping image, rotate tree side, fit in horizontal, transparent tree. I don't require anything. I will transfer. This. I will do 50. Say no and just animate. Yes. You can also do. Okay, animation, it is done. You can do many editing of photos like background remover, but I don't require it right now. Install composition. Okay, but I don't require it, so I will not use in this photos. Now I will select grow. Okay. From photos, I will select this grow. And now I will edit this grow by using background. Background remover is paired, so I will don't use this tool. I can animate. Okay. I did. Wow. You can edit your design according to your need or according to your size. I will crop this crop. I know this is not suited to my template, but adjust it. Okay? More transparent, short, and I have this. Okay? It's hardware with the effect to create unique stylish templates. Like I have experiment with the effect. Let's experiment. Edit. None. Cool. Okay. Free and Pro photos. You have noticed that some photos have a crown on it. Okay. This means that are not available in Canva Free. If you are using Canva Free, select the free photos and use this. This ensures you to download your design without any watermarks. Tips for choosing a professional photos. Here are some tips used by professional designer. Use high-resolution photos. Keep a constant color theme. Avoid blurry or pixelated image. Leave enough empty space to add text. Match the photo style with your brand using natural lighting wherever possible. A well-chosen photo can make even a simple design look premium. Common mistakes that beginners always do by selecting the photo using staged images. Mix different photo style, placing image where the background is too busy. Use low-quality image. Ignore image element. Always preview your design before downloading. Like I have previewed my design before downloading. In today's lecture, we have learned what kind of photos are, how to search for image, how to search filter, how to add and replace photos, how to crop and edit photos, how to apply effect on photos. Try difference between Canva Pro and Canva Free in photos. Tips for choosing a professional quality image. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. Now, open your Canva, practice, search for different types of photos, trying editing brightness, cropping, and effects you see to change your image improvement. In lecture number 13, we will explore Canva, video, and learn how to use stock videos, edit clips, trim footage, and create engaging video design. See you in next lecture. Happy ending. Allah Hafiz. If you have any comment, any question, let me know in comment section. Goodbye.